Kaylin, Maddie, and Adriana told you how rhythm and harmony contribute to a flow arrangement. I'm Allie.
I'm Libby.
I'm Avery.
The design principle we are covering today is balance and unity.
Is that balanced?
No, you silly goose. Balance is the stability of an arrangement. The arrangement needs to be secure and stable. There are two types of balance, symmetrical/formal and asymmetrical/informal.
Symmetrical balance means equal visual weight on each side of an imaginary central vertical line. These arrangements are poised rather than moving and passive rather than active. Asymmetrical balance means equal visual weight on both sides of a central axis, but there is different plant material on either side. These arrangements are active rather than passive and suggest movement to the eye.
Olivia, is my arrangement finished now?
No, it may be balanced, but it lacks unity.
Balance cannot be fully achieved without using other principles of design.
Well, what's unity?
Unity means all parts of the design suggest a oneness in the idea or impression. In other words, this is what makes your eye move smoothly through the arrangement. In order to achieve this, you need to repeat colors throughout the design. Make sure you do not layer flowers or put colors and textures in horizontal rows within the arrangement.
Avery, is it better now?
Yes, much better.
Up next, line and form with Brooke, Kennedy, Brooklyn, and Emily.
Thank you for watching.